8 amazing features of AirTag. Hello, what's up, everybody? AirTag is a mini circular gadget from Apple that is attached to things like bags, wallets, and keys, and allows you to track them. But it has some amazing and mind-blowing features. Here is today's video. We are going to share with you the 8 most amazing features of AirTags that will indeed amaze you. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more amazing content. So let's jump right into it. Number 1. Small design, easy to set up. AirTag is a very small device with a size similar to a bottle cap. It has a pattern on its front and an Apple logo on its back. It is a water and dust-resistant gadget without worrying about bad weather conditions. It has a small speaker inside and a replaceable battery that can last for more than a year. It uses Bluetooth technology to send signals, and an Apple device can be used to detect it. Number 2. Tracking precision. AirTag makes use of the UI chip that is found in the iPhone 11 and more modern Apple iPhones. AirTag can precisely determine its distance from an iPhone and provide a location by using ultra-wideband technology and the U1 chip. When you tap on an AirTag in the Find My app, it uses the information from the camera, or kit, accelerometer, and gyroscope, and then uses a combination of sound, haptics, and visual feedback to guide you to the AirTag. Apple has also made AirTag compatible with the accessibility features. If you have low eyesight or are blind, you can use the voiceover feature to get guidance like AirTag is 9 feet away on your left. This feature is amazing. Even a blind person would be able to locate the AirTag and find his keys, wallet, or anything else to which the AirTag is attached. Number 3. Find My network. This is another amazing feature that allows an AirTag to connect to its network so that the owner can locate the AirTag. To provide the user with a location, AirTag uses Bluetooth and the U1 chip. When an AirTag is separated from its owner, other nearby Apple devices will receive anonymous signals from the AirTag. Then, in the background, it will secretly transmit its location to its owner via the closest Apple device. It means that even if someone has stolen them, they will still be sending signals to their owner by connecting to other Apple devices. This feature makes them more secure and reliable. Number 4. Lost mode. You can put an AirTag in lost mode if you lose it and are unable to locate it. When an Apple device approaches your AirTag, the Find My network feature will be activated, and your iPhone will receive a secret location update. The user can just tap on the AirTag to open a website on his or her iPhone that will reveal the details, such as the owner's phone number, if the AirTag is in lost mode, and is found by someone else. The other person would be able to call the owner of the AirTag to inform him about the AirTag. Number 5. Replaceable battery. The battery in an AirTag can be replaced by the user. According to Apple, AirTag's battery should last over a year before needing to be replaced by the user. The CR2032 coin cell battery, which is used by AirTags, is commonly available and is simply replaced by removing the device's back cover. Number 6. Range and water resistance. The maximum Bluetooth range is about 100 meters, so an AirTag should be trackable at least that far. Apple has not provided specifics regarding the range of the AirTag. The AirTag has IP67 water and dust resistance certification, which implies that under laboratory settings, it can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. That suggests that the AirTag will withstand exposure to liquid caused by rain or accidental spills. Number 7. Privacy and unwanted tracking alerts. The device's location data is not safe by AirTags. To locate an AirTag, it simply sends a signal to the closest Apple device. The communication with Find My network is end-to-end encrypted, according to Apple, and the data is kept private. Several other privacy features have also been introduced in AirTags. Unwanted location tracking is detected by an AirTag, and it stops relaying the user's location. A sound will be played by an AirTag to notify the owner if it becomes separated from its owner. Apple made an upgrade to its warning system to notify users when they might be traveling with an unidentified AirTag or Find My network accessory. It means if a person has an iPhone or any other device that can track AirTag, they would be able to track your AirTag. You see, some people can use the AirTag to track people against their will. Let's say boys can track their girlfriends. Apple has now introduced this feature that notifies others if an unidentified AirTag has been traveling with them. As a result of several news reports detailing the use of AirTags for car theft, stalking, and other illegal acts, Apple has made some changes to the way AirTags operate to stop criminals from misusing them. Number 8. AirTag accessories. Apple has offered a variety of AirTag accessories. AirTag is fastened or fixed in place by accessories because it lacks an adhesive or magnetic backing. AirTag will function perfectly fine if it is placed in a bag, wallet, or handbag, but it needs to be kept on a specific carrying for items like keys. In addition to a polyurethane loop, a leather key, and a few limited edition Hermes accessories, Apple offered a handful of first-party accessories for the gadget. The prices for the polyurethane loop, leather key ring, and leather loop are $29, $35, and $39 respectively. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so to watch more amazing videos.